If you are experiencing an issue where your Logitech mouse scroll wheel is not functioning correctly, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps you can take. First, let's adjust the mouse settings within Windows. Search for mouse settings in your Windows search bar and open the application. Look for the option that says lines to scroll at a time. You can try increasing this value slightly, or select the option for multiple lines at a time. Sometimes this simple adjustment can resolve the scrolling problem. If adjusting the mouse settings does not fix the issue, the next step is to update your mouse drivers. To do this, search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You will likely see multiple entries for your mouse or pointing devices. For each of these entries, right-click on the device and select the option to update driver. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow Windows to search for and install the latest driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.